About a month ago, I picked up the Pixel 6, and there was actually something else other than the phone that I was really excited about, and that's the dBrand skin. Now, I don't usually make videos about skins or phones or accessories like this, but I couldn't help myself. I had to go to the site. These guys are Canadian. They're located in Toronto. I just live outside the city, and I wanted to try it out and see how it actually looks in person. I ordered it, and let's take a look. So ordering the package didn't actually take that long, just a couple of days to get it here. No back orders. Here's the phone, and this is the original packaging that it came in. Nice pull tab on it. Just grab it and pull it. And let's take a look inside. So we got a cleaning cloth here, and we have the envelope, which should have the skin, and a single piece of packaging material. I don't know why we need that, but it's in there. And here's the skin, super geeky. This is awesome. And what I did do is I ordered a backup because I suck at putting these things on. This is a gloss finish, and there is the backup one just in case I mess it up. So I got the camouflage skin. There's the glossy finish. You can also get it matte, but I think a little bit of reflection might look better on the phone, so that's why I did that. And I wanted to get a skin because I'm definitely going to scratch this phone. There's glass everywhere. This is everything that I got. All the materials I purchased, including the packaging. And there's my Pixel phone. And a quick peek, this is before. And now it's installed. Now, I'm very impressed with the way it looks. It's very clean, very sharp. From a distance, it could possibly fool you. Up close, yeah, it's a picture. For sure, it's a picture. But from a distance, it could fool you. It looks like the phone's actually open. So I thought that was kind of cool. Super geeky. It fills it all out from seam to seam, right down to the edge. Mine's a little bit rough around the edges, so I think I'm going to heat it up again with a hairdryer like they suggested and then rub it down. But there it is. That is the dBrand skin for the Pixel 6, the Teardown version. So let me know what you think in the description below. I don't usually do videos like this. I'm just a really big fan of dBrand and what they do with skins. This is not a sponsored video, but I'll put a link in the description below so you can see it for yourself. I made the video because I know seeing the pictures online isn't very clear until you see it on the phone. So I just wanted to show what it looks like. So I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.